回答的执行长黄仁勋早起一透早就坐无人机来到台北的松山机场。黄仁勋是正感谢美国总统川普，和回答 H20的晶片再度卖给中国。黄仁勋讲，开放这个 H20并未危害到美国的国家安全。针对到中国质疑 H20的晶片有安全的漏沟，黄仁勋讲，伊即摆当甲中国的政府在沟通。
回答的执行长黄仁勋临时对家来台湾的行程，亲身透露和美国总统川普是安怎讨论半导体关税。
I informed the president of the importance of the American AI tech stack. I also explained that AI is going to advance around the world with or without the United States, and it is important for us to maximize our AI export technology at a time when this industry is being formed.
黄仁勋学到川普学到过来摆，感谢伊和回答的 H20，也就是为中国量身打造更贵版的晶片，会当搁再卖对中国去。是讲美国的论坛一直拢有反对的声音，烦恼做冲击到美国的国安。
Shipping H20 to China is not a national security concern. It's great for America and it's great for the Chinese market. The Chinese customers are also expanding their AI services. The demand, I believe, is quite great.
是讲中国市场敢若无免领伊的情，金融时报讲，因为美国商务部长卢特尼可以发言，中国的官员当来组织企业卖 H20。路透消息报道，回答已经请鸿海等等的供应链暂停生产 H20。 中国官方媒体《人民日報》第8月初甚至發表評論，這份回答叫我怎樣相信你？這個 H20有自安記錄。
We have made very clear and put to rest that H20 has no security backdoors. There are no such things. There never has. And so hopefully the response that we've given to the Chinese government will be sufficient.
聽講回答當然為中國建議效能更較好，特用版的晶片 B30A。對於這個代誌，黃仁勳講，咁美國推出新品，這就要問美國政府，雙方當然密切溝通。美中的局勢變化多端 ，AI 教育在敏感的時刻過來台灣，也為地緣的情勢增加個較濟不確定性。
Hello， 我是雷亚。想要抢而先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。